girls' education, why it is necessary. In our country, not in the country, in developing countries, mostly in developing countries, we have shown that there's so many persons, mostly the educated persons are not aware even for the girls. Not only in education sector, but also in all other sectors. I mean, girls are deprived in all the sectors. So this, through our place, we just want to show this. Thank you, Sabrina. And the Moina's mother is playing the role Miss Boishak here. Orien's mother, where are you? Bring a glass of water for me.
I'm coming. Wait. So many things you have bought.
Yes. And where is Kamal? Headmaster told me that he doesn't go to school regularly. Make him understand that he has to study regularly, and so that he can make me proud in the whole village area. And what about Moina?
Moina wants to go to school as his brother. I told her to help me house, but he never heard me.
Yeah. Tell her that don't need to go outside. It's wasting time and money, and she don't need to go to school, because I'm searching a good family for her. This scene is the second part is about regarding Manusma is serving food, and while we are talking, because
Mother, give me a fish fry. I love it.
School calling. As he goes to school, he needs more vegetable. You finish this with vegetable.
But Bokulappa told me that girls also need healthy food.
I told you several times, stop going outside and stop talking with Bokulappa.
Father, I want to go to school for becoming a famous one. Please.
I'm searching a good family for you. Just do whatever your mother is saying.
Finish the rubbish talking and finish your food. After the lunch, you wash it all the plate. Okay?
Moina's father is working on field, and where he is very much worried regarding his harvesting crops.
Father, why, Father?
Dear, I'm thinking about harvesting food, crops and also irrigation, because I don't have enough money for irrigation and harvesting crops. Now I'm thinking to take loan from Mahajan, but in spite of that research, I'm thinking if I do that, I have to take huge amount of loan against interest, and after my irrigation and harvesting crops, I don't have enough money to for surviving my family, for running out my family. How we will survive? Because you charge a huge amount of interest. And the final scene is regarding that our Moina, she is very much eager to learn something from the school and from the other sides. So we are not aware that interest and loan, how we will get this loan from other place where we get only where we have to pay the nominal interest. But she knows that.
Father, Mother, I have a good news for you.
What?
You don't need to loan money from the Mahajan. Yes, the government is helping the poor farmer by giving them loan in a nominal interest. You can take loan from the government, and easily you can harvest your crops. Even father can sell his harvest directly to the government in a fair price.
But how do you know so many things?
I go to school every day, and from the outside of the class I learn.
Really?
Yes.
From tomorrow, you and your brother will go to school together, okay?
Thank you, Father.
Yes,
Father. So see, education is very important for everyone, whether he is a boy or a girl. So, but it's sad that the communities couldn't understand the importance of girls' education.
and African proverb say that if you learn a boy, you learn a person. If you learn a girl, you learn a family and the whole nation.
So we should give the same priority for a boy like to a girl like a boy, and so which will help to educate the future generation, to decrease the infant mortality, to help for growing socio-economic situation, and so on. Thank you. The hour of girls' education. So it will helpful for educated our generations to improve the condition of Bangladesh.
Role, and we by the English we can create awareness to the people and reach the people about the which message we deliver the people, and by playing the role we know about the intonation and team building and gesture and writing the script and how to deliver the message to the people. That helps us in team building by English.
Thank you.